All right, guys, just wanted to do a quick video announcing the winner of the X-Wing Sphere. So there was an auction. I made an X-Wing Sphere a couple weeks ago, put it up for auction, and the proceeds were going to benefit MS Society. So I was doing this in conjunction with Scott Wishart, who is doing a bike-a-thon, and he's going to be like riding 100 kilometers. It's kind of a virtual bike-a-thon because of the COVID-19 stuff, but he's riding, and he was fundraising for MS Society and asked if I would like to participate. So it gave me a really good chance to make an X-Wing Sphere and put it up for auction, and the proceeds benefited, like I said, MS Society. So the auction went for 2 weeks, and I actually kind of screwed that up. It was supposed to be a week-long auction, but I had my dates kind of screwed up, and so it went a lot longer than I expected. However, it still was very successful. So first off, I just want to thank everybody that shared the post, that commented, and definitely everybody that bid. There were some seriously generous bids throughout the entire week or couple weeks of the auction. And so in the winning bid was $1,500. All of that is going to MS Society. So that is just amazing. I was talking to Scott, and so far with that added, I believe that his total so far, which is not over, his fundraising is not over yet. So far, he's raised, I think, $4,500 in that range right now. So very, very awesome. I mean, just crazy. And a big thank you to the winner. So let's announce the winner. The winner was Doug over at Fleetswood Shop. He's a fellow YouTuber. He's got an amazing channel. If you like my kind of content, I do believe that you're going to like his channel as well. He has got an amazing wood shop. He does all kinds of different projects. He does woodworking. He's got some kind of organization type stuff. He's got a really well organized shop and some tips and things for that. And he also does some resin and wood type projects. So definitely head over and subscribe to his channel. I think you're going to enjoy his content. But a big thank you to Doug for the winning bid. He's actually the highest donor in Scott's program right now. So just amazing. I am very proud to be part of that. And I want to thank Scott for letting me, help out with this fundraiser. I had a really good time, making that X-Wing Sphere. It finally gave me a good reason to make one, a good excuse, I guess. It's been on my list for a while, and it turned out great. So it was just one of those total win kind of situations, and just I really appreciate all you guys' support. Obviously we couldn't have done this without you guys, so just amazing. So a big congrats to Doug. The piece is actually boxed up. I would show you, I guess, maybe or something, but I actually just got done boxing it up, and that thing is bulletproof, hopefully. So that'll be on its way to you, Doug, this weekend actually. So just again, thank you guys all for all the support. If you didn't see the video, it was a pretty good video, I think. So I'll have a link on the screen here. Now, before we go, I also wanted to mention there are going to be a couple more auctions coming up in conjunction with Scott Wishart's Bike MS fundraiser. A couple other makers have things that they're going to auction off over the next couple of weeks. I don't have any of that information right now. Scott didn't know last time I talked to him. So what I recommend is just go and make sure you're following Scott. He's at Scott's Mini Woodshop over on Instagram, and I'll have a link down to his profile down in the show notes. Follow him over there. He'll let you know whenever another auction is coming up, and I'm going to try and share whatever I find out as well on my Instagram. But keep your eyes peeled for that. So just a big thank you to everybody that spread the word on my auction. Big thank you to the bidders. Just awesome generosity. Thank you guys so much. And of course, congratulations and thank you to Doug. So make sure you go over to his YouTube channel and follow him over there. Subscribe to his channel. Like I said, I think you're going to like his videos, so make sure you do that. Lastly, there's also going to be another fundraising kind of charity opportunity coming up, the Turner's Warehouse St. Jude Ornament Challenge. So I'll have more details. I'm not going to go through all of that in this video. I'm going to be putting up a video turning an ornament, and I'll have all the details in that. So be keeping your eyes peeled for that video and that opportunity. It's coming up. So lots of fun to make stuff and also help charities coming up. So just again, thank you guys all for all the sharing and all the support. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.